Good morning, everyone. My name is Assistant Professor Komal More. My subject name is Optional English, and my topic is Toasted English. Toasted English is written by R.K. Narayan. Narayan is known for his simple language and realistic characters. Toasted English is a half humorous, half serious essay about how the same language of English differs from one country to another. In this essay, the difference between American and British English has been shown in an amusing way. The author tells that, like Indians, Americans also drove the British out of their country but adapted English. The Americans used the English language in an easy way and left the use of passive voice. They also gave up formalism and used certain keywords for their convenience. This process of modifying English is called toasting. Okay, yeah, yes are more commonly used expressions. Further, R.K. Narayan discusses the bazaar status of English. It is used in a polite way in a London. The conductor will never say ticket on the London bus, but simply go near to the passenger and say thank you on receiving the fare of and issuing the ticket also. We have no need to use yes sir, yes darling with the words yes. The word yes okay are self-sufficient word which need no suffix to show any special respect. Arkenarian feels that the time has come when English should come out in the open, in dusty street and become the language of the common man. Like Americans, it should also adapt according to the Indian needs and atmosphere. He does not want the marginalization of English. Grammatical rules should have remained the same. Like toasted English, India should develop the Bharat brand of English. One should not have to think before speaking. The author wants that Indian English should have its own identity, its Swadeshi stamp. It should be unique and distinct from the present English. Thank you.